Solid yung team ni Francis Ani Perillo
May bago sa bago dito.
Teammates ko Hindi.
Yun pa rin. Mas madali ko Mas compare sila. Yung kaibigan ko, yung sa Pilipinas ko ginawa Simple lang.
Third game between Marlins versus Lakers. For all. Linden, Susan, again to Linden again. To Cirillo, Linden for three, Diesel. The final for three, Alam to Cirillo, to Linden for three, no good. Rebound to Sam. And to Linden for three again, no good. Rebound by Josh. Last runner. To Tyler. To Josh for three. 6-3. Again, Cirillo for three. No good. Rebound by one. Rebound by Tyler. Good foul. Number 6, foul. Adam Cross, first personal foul. First team foul. Marlins, 6 Marlins. Oh, this is 2-1. Cirillo ganda, good. Rebound again, rebound. Still by Sam. Go for two by Sam. 8-5. Good by Tyler. Rebound by Linden. Oh, what a pass! What a pass! What a pass to Cirillo. Gallows in the ball. 8 minutes, 50 seconds. 5 minutes, first quarter. Oh, to Josh. Over to Josh. Rebound by Taiwan. This time, let's go to Erickson. Rebound. Rebound is Sevilla. Doing good. Then Tyler. Let's go to Tyler. This is rebound to Tyler. Let's go again. Oh. 7 minutes, 54 seconds. 8-7, 1 point lead by the Toronto Lakers. Very exactly. So Sam, Adam, Severo jump shot. No good, rebound by Wu. Still by 2 points by Severo. Josh 14, no good. This is rebound by Wu. And Wu, gonna go. Now here's Dave Favors. 1 point lead by Cesar Giovanni. He's got a jump shot. No good again. Oh, 2 points by Adam Brown. 11-8, 3-point lead, 3-point lead, whole game. Cesar Giovanni is up by feet.
They're ready. Stop.
Get ready for some, get ready for some. Move.
Short ko yan.
Sino yun? Kasi meron din.
Oh, 2 points.
Wait. May shorts ka? By Francis, may shorts ka? Wala. Oh, wala.
2 points. It's not 2 points by Cesar Giovanni. 38. Michael, give the ball to Richard Corsi. No good. Oh, what a pass. What a pass. Francis to Tyler. Good for 2 by Tyler. Catch 15. 1 point lead. Bigyan. Bigyan. Bigyan by Tyler.
4-3. Play.
Sa inyo na yun.
Yan, nakay ano yung kanina. Nakain.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. 15-13, 2-point lead by Cesar Giovanni. 4 minutes, 45 seconds. To Tyler. to Francis, to Conrad, Fifteen up. Sam, to Marcus. No, you're Francis. Sam, Richard, Sam, Marcus, Kushan, jump shot, revitalization. Oh, big boy!
Jason.
18-15 James Fable, 3-point lead by Laguna Lakers. Richard, in the ball. To Marcus, 14, no good. Oh, this is the ball by Roger, jump shot! 18-17, 1-point lead by Laguna Lakers for their team. Thank you. Come on, baby, two. This is the Roger again. 1980. Ryan, look at the Ryan. Oh, block! Block the Roger. James Faber. Okay, Marcus Patrick. 420 guys, something nice. Francis Patrick. Good. Foul, Roger, first personal foul, first team foul, 16 marks, 1 by players, 2 by 1, 21 point lead, waiting for 16 marks, to stand. See you later, Jason. James Faber. 45 seconds, time remaining, first quarter. James Faber, 21-23, 1 point lead. By Laguna Lakers. Sam for James Faber, 2 point lead. James Faber. For the game. 1 point lead.
Oh, nice.
Oh, what a pass! By Tyler, 2 pointers. Five, 4. Oh, good. Rebound by Francis. Tied up. What a game,
They'll be here. White ball.
White ball.
maglaro eh, kasi 10 yung nilaro sa amin. Hindi ko lahat.
Is our third game over season 5 over today. We will Susurgent Marlins versus Laguna Lakers. Our game, 25 up. Adam, Cirillo to Lendl for 3. Adam trying to beat the ball. Finally, 11 minutes, 30 seconds. To Marcus. Marcus again. Pass to Adam. To Lendl for 3. No good. Rebound by Honda. Still 25 up. Nice. Good. Okay, just no good. Back for Laguna Lakers ball. One right for King, no good. Rebound again by Ron. 25 out. Back to the ball. Cirillo. Back forward. Good foul. 22. Lendl. First personal foul. Second team foul. Second team foul. Okay, good. Rebound by Cirillo. 2 points. 2 shots. Good foul. 22. Ernesto, first personal foul. Cirillo, 2 free throws. Second team foul. Laguna Lakers. And go over 6.
Yes.
9 minutes, 25 seconds in second quarter. 9 minutes. 51, Cirillo, 26-25. Only 128 versus 7 points. Michael to Josh. Ernesto for 3. No good. Dito na may contact. No good. Marcos Torres, Espanyol. To Lendl for 3. Assist by Marcus. 29-25, third lead. Dash. To Ernesto. To Michael. Mike. To Callum. Ernesto for 3. Rebound by Lendl. Cirillo. Goes for 2. 31-25, 6-point lead by Michael. They run again. Steal by Quanda. Michael for 3. No good. Run again. 7 minutes. 38 seconds, finally in the second quarter. Cirillo to Mark. Run. Opponent. Oh. Who foul? Foul together. So they go first personal foul. 13 foul. Marlins. Over. Two points for Golden Bears. Foul Adam. Adam's second personal foul. 14 foul Marlins. When started for everyone, 4 lead by Marlins. Golden Bears 51. Opponent.
Gano'n, gumagawa dito po.
Game Adam to Marcus.
Ready for results.
Ready for soccer.
Hey, 3-2.
33-20, 5-point lead. 5-point lead.
Maganda pa saan?
Yeah, Francis in the ball. Francis.
Good team, talk to each other. Right there.
Yes, okay. Roger. Two shots. Run. First personal foul. 5-team foul. Foul.
Kalaban din, sama. Kalaban din, sama. Ano kasama?
Jason, no good baby. Other people for Jason. Oh, yeah,
You got Sam right there.
Sam,
Post up, Rob, post up.
Sam. Oh, steal by Pastor. The passes.
Nice.
The pass to Jason. Oh, to Jason.
Over, Sam. Over.
Sam.
Over.
Sam, to Jan.
Everyone.
Oh, John. Tyler, good ball. Tyler for three. Good. Rebound by Sean. Good ball. Sean. Good ball. To Ron.
Take it.
To Sean. To Richard. To Sam. Sam for three. Good. Rebound by Pastor. 5-point lead by Superman Balance. Again. Tyler, 3 minutes, 53 seconds. On Francis for three. Good. Rebound by Sean. Good ball. Run for three. Good. Five twenty. Brian for three. From the run. 33-20.
Assist Francis.
Richard for three. Oh! Roger for three. No good. Rebound by Tyler. Full foul.
Warning penalty.
Warning for penalty. Shot. First personal foul by Santa Cruz. O'Brien. Good again. Josh. 30-30. Time remaining. 1 minute 25 seconds. Time out. Time out. Suspension Marlins. No more timeouts. Suspension Marlins. 2 timeouts. 2 timeouts. Mike move. You still have 2 timeouts. No more timeout here. First up. First time. And they got score. DJ, team, and Francis. Imagine that. First 1 minute. Oh, what a move by Sam. Good. Again. Second personal foul, Shem, go please. 40 seconds, time remaining. Rebound by Ball. One foul. 45. Foul, Francis. First personal foul. Okay. Two 27-32, 5.85 suspension minus.
Kuya, saan mo binibili daw?
Dito may love your own. May local kami dyan. Pilipino din yung may-ari niyan. Yung
Bakery talaga siya?
ha?
Bakery niya? O
Oo.
sa bahay lang?
Tatlo yung bakery niya. Nasa Roosevelt. May Roosevelt siya. So, Bad Bakers pangalan.
Bad Baker?
Yeah, Bad Bakers. Sa Roosevelt naman dito.
Pilipino eh?
Oo, Pilipino. Dito yung pinakauna sa Quezon Gate. Quezon Gate. Buti tatlo yung kinuha ko. Pero gusto ko sana talaga first game, first sa opening day, tatlo kasi intense tong mga player na to kasi matagal na ba ang kukulit nito Gusto na maglaro yung schedule natin dito December 7, hindi November. November gusto na maglaro. Ganda kung paano ginawa sa tao. Simple lang.
Back to the ball game. 37-32. Taekwondo. Caleb. Ball. 2-point by Caleb. 37-34. 3-point lead. 3-point lead. What a game. Good matchup for these two teams. Middle for three. Lead ball by Tyler. Yes, Tyler for three. No good. This is rebound by Caleb. Oh. Okay, 2 points by Listo.
Ready na ka? Pagsin na.
Steve, Caleb.
Steve, still with Caleb. Michael. Ernesto. Caleb. Oh, 3 seconds. 1 point lead, 1 point lead by Sergeant Marlins. Richard, jump shot. Rebound again by Tyler. Tyler. Oh, what a pass.
Who's foul?
26. Run. Second personal foul. First team foul. Marlins. Caleb. Good. Ito pinag again.
Kita. Basta. Tapos ka na?
Next game.
Next game. Tayo!
Oo.
2 weeks na. 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Michael, first personal foul. First team foul. Laguna Lakers. Time remaining 9 minutes, 29 seconds. In third quarter. 1 point lead. What a game. 1 point lead.
Oh, nice.
Oh, wow. Three-point lead, 39-46. Third quarter. Corner for three. No good. Oh, steal by Martin. Steal. Caleb, go for two. What a game, 39-38. Sereno, go for two by Sereno.
Ay, papirmay sa muli.
Pirmahan ka?
Wala kayo, kumain.
Natin. Tatanapin na ito, pero. Utangin na.
Full foul. Richard, first personal foul. Single team foul, Marlins. Oh, Tyler, no good. personal foul. 13 foul Marlins. 7 minutes, 35 seconds. Time remaining, third quarter. Tyler, shooting for 2 free throws. No good. Good. Good rebound by Tyler. Good. Good foul. Caleb. First personal foul calling. Second foul. Laguna Lakers. 6 minutes. 49 seconds. Ready for foul. 41-38. Bingo. And run. Oh! Good one, Ron.
Yeah. Dali. Out.
2 points by Caleb.
Ganun.
Biling for stop. Cirilo, foul. First foul.
No. After free throw. After 1-4. Red.
After, sika shot.
After 1 shot.
Five minutes. 5 minutes, 55 seconds.
Next game.
Dari tim Cirio. Ketua 44-40. 4-point lead on by Chicago Marlins. One game, 20-24. 5 minutes remaining. Oh, gosh, what a game. Caleb 14, no good. Heavy ball by Kansas. 43-44, 1 point lead. Good. Rebound by Brian. 1 point lead only, 1 point lead for the game. To Francis. Oh, one pass. 45, chase people, 1 point lead for the Laguna Lakers. Run. Give Brian Martino, good. Rebound by Sam. No good by Ron. Rebound by John. No good. Rebound by Josh. Josh. The Francis. Francis for three. No good. Rebound by Roger. To Marcus. Marcus. To Roger. To Sean. Brandon.
Bigyan talaga yung dalawa. Chase Taylor again. Chase Taylor. Once again. 46-45. Josh number for three. Bang! 48-46 4-point lead. Laguna Lakers down for three. Laguna. Oh, this is the ball by Roger. Oh, what a pass. No goal again. Come on. Tied up. Tied up. 48 up. Francis. Still battle. 48 up.
Watch the
1
ball,
minute,
please.
19
Shake.
seconds.
Behind you,
19,
right there.
third quarter.
No, Shane. Lead. Yeah, right here.
To Brian for three. No good. This is rebound by Brian again.
Box out.
Kyle for three. Woo! 48-51. 2-point lead by Laguna Lakers. Oh, quarter. The third is 51-50. 1 point lead by Laguna Lakers. 40 seconds. 5 minutes.
Don't jump.
Brian, no good. Rebound by one.
Let's go. Get back.
No good. Rebound by Marcus.
I need a word. I know that you guys are using the other side. We don't have anybody to go there, and it's kind of rude that you guys are asking them to go to the restroom when they're renting it.
They're doing good.
They are on the court.
Oh,
Now, I will tell you they asked you guys are paying for your side. If I come over here and ask you for your side,
that's all.
I just want to make sure that you know. Because when you speak to Cody, I'm the one that's going to be the one. That's not they're paying for the price. Just like you guys.
What's the sub board? 6.
Open sub, di ba? Yung going forward.
6 minutes. 6 minutes. Opens up. 6 minutes.
So everybody that's on can stay.
Hey, Michael, get involved. Let's get the energy up. Let's go. 1 quarter. Come on. Hey, nobody shoot that side. Nobody shoot from that side.
He's on the court. We'll shoot the other court. Akala nila natin. Hindi naman tayo. Don't shoot it.
Sinong nandun? Mga ibang tao. That's not us.
Oh, no good. Good foul.
Just to let you know, fast pass not a sack yet in the second half. Come on, Black defense, let's go! Good D, Black, come on! Come on, Black! Get out of here! Come on, Black defense, put pressure on him! Get out of here! Only 22 win!
$59-54, 5-point lead by Marlins. 9 minutes, 25 seconds, time remaining in fourth quarter. Again to good. The pursue by Conrad. Again, run for three, good. Against Josh Martin, we're going to win. This is Vito with Josh. Good, Good. 8 minutes, 29 seconds. 8 minutes, 29 seconds. Come on. Substitution, injury down. 56-59, Detroit lead by Costa Del Marlins.
56 si Conrad.
Three-point shot, Pastor. Silence. 61 defensive. Five-point lead. 6 minutes.
Tingnan mo muna. Saka yung may kuha yan sa short, tingnan mo yung kasi walang number eh, tingnan mo yung size.
Good. Rebound by Allen. Who's foul?
Black 33.
Richard, ano? Umupo siya. Mike po! Mike! Ron, sit down in the first 5 minutes in third quarter.
No. No.
Ron, they brought
No.
in third quarter.
I watched the whole time. You can never do it.
Yeah, we have this one too.
Today, we are going to Kuwait, Costa Rica. 60-64, fourth lead by Laguna Nicos. 6 minutes, 39 seconds. Foul Linden. Linden. Second personal foul Linden. 14 fouls. Steal by Tyler. Rebound by Ron. Open up, pinipus up. One more timeout, Laguna Nicos. 2 more timeouts. One sit down. Open sound.
Did you get it, Bob? Tingnan mo dyan, nandyan ba?
Itim ba dapat?
Itim, white, dalawa yung upper, saka isang short. Saka suotin mo palagi yung short every game.
Five minutes, 51 seconds. Wood will go by Wood. Rebound by Josh. Good. Guerrero, no good. Rebound by Josh. Foul. 15 foul. Both teams 15 foul.
Did you get it? Two upper?
Pangalan ko, wala po.
Abantaw. Yan.
Silver Wood. Steal by Shannon.
Let's go! Come on!
One more time out sa Player Marlins. One more time out. Laguna Nicos.
How about there, bro? Tingnan mo dyan, bro. Wala. Wala. Nandyan yan eh.
In 5 seconds. 9.8. Oh, steal by good. Nicolai Marcos. Good. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, Laguna Lakers. 2 shots, 2 free throws for after 1 free throw. It's one for Sevilla. Another free throw for Sevilla. 62-69, 7-point lead, 2 minutes, 20 seconds, 20 seconds left. Oh, 25 seconds left. 20 seconds left. 18.
Do we have any timeouts left? Okay, Tyler, shooting for 2 people. I mean 1 people. Enjoy the Tyler. No foul, no foul!
Michael, go for 2! What a game, what a game! 6-7-1, 5-point lead. Penalty 2 people. What a shot. 2 people for Michael.
Come on, defense, Blair, come on! Watch the paint! Defense!
1 minute 30 seconds. 5 minutes. In 4th quarter.
Defense! Defense!
27 seconds. Shot for 3. No good. Oh.
Clock, use your clock!
18 seconds. 15.
Timeout.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
How many timeouts?
One. Got one. No more timeout. No more timeout. No more timeout. No more timeout. Back to the 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Hey, Blair, 10 seconds!
9. Oh. Good boy.
Oh, nice.
Whoa. Good boy. What a game, what a game.
We're happy with it.
That is just for two people. What the one? That is people to the pilot. People. Seven, 8-6. Game over. Congratulations, LeBron. What a game. What a game.
What a game. Lamang sila eh. They're up. They're up. They're up. For how many? They're up kasi. Dapat isunod. Hindi na yung mga parang sana. Ano ko inupuha siya sa first and second? Hindi inupuha siya sa second. Uupo ka lang. Hindi ka po. Uupo ka lang. No. Wala rin that time. Wala rin. Iba yung third pool. Ito nga. Kala ko 15 minutes. Ay, ano, 18 minutes na. So first, 18 minutes. 18 minutes per half. Umupo siya. Hindi siya umupo ng third quarter. Umupo siya ng first half. First second. Fourth, hindi na siya umupo. Kaya hindi siya nakapasok kasi. Dapat, hindi na talaga siya makapasok kasi 6 minutes. Hindi siya nakapasok na. Sa last 6 minutes. Yun nga. Nakapasok ako. Dapat kasi siya first. Yeah, yes. No. Go ahead. Just play.